with 31 events and Calendarsnack. You can see them in a Google Calendar. You can see at the top the name of the event is Get to Know Zoom Phone. This is off the zoom.us website. And to create a Calendarsnack to stream this Zoom event to a landing page, I'm going to just use the create@calendarsnack.com address here. And when I do that, under create@calendarsnack.com, this event here for Zoom will be added to the streaming calendar landing page for one-click RSVP. So it's easier to explain and see here live. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to create this event here. And what will happen is the Calendarsnack will show up in the email address of the creator. In this case, it's greg@techvader.com. You see that? You just saw the Calendarsnack show up in my inbox. It's right there. You can see that the event name is Get to Know Zoom Phone. I'm going to click that. And in each individual Calendarsnack, there is a send area. And these buttons here are used for RSVPs and the email marketing providers to promote one-click RSVP for Zoom. And we have something that's very easy to demonstrate, which I'm going to do now, which is a grab-and-go button for a single event URL, which is right here. This information here is the pre-populated Zoom page for the event if you wanted to do that. The customer can put in their email address, hit RSVP now, and the RSVP will go out as a calendar invitation. There is something else I want to show you real quick within the couple-minute video here, and that is we have a streaming events landing page for Zoom as well. And when I copy this URL in this page here, all the upcoming future events for any Zoom webinars are right here. So all one would have to do is put their email address at the top here, and what happens is we pre-pop all these RSVP buttons down here. So if I wanted to go to an individual Zoom event, all I have to do is click these buttons here, and the calendar invitation sent out, and we track those here on the back end. Thanks for stopping by, and hopefully we'll get accepted into the Zoom program for seed funding. Thanks.